Whether you're a homeowner aiming for efficient zoning or a technician seeking a hassle-free installation experience, the Taco 555-050RP heat motor zone valve has a reputation for being one of the industry's top choices for zone valves. Today, we're taking a look at how it got that reputation. The standout feature of this valve is its twist-off head. If the valve needs maintenance, the twist-off head gives technicians hassle-free access, making maintenance a breeze. Even better, the durable and rugged design means the valve rarely needs maintenance in the first place, even after rigorous use. The 555-050RP zone valve powerhead is compatible with a variety of Taco valve bodies. While the ease of installation and maintenance is unforgettable for service techs, the Taco 555-050RP is completely forgettable for homeowners because it operates in complete silence. Quiet and efficient, the valve works noiselessly in the background. Proudly made in the USA, the Taco 555-050RP comes with a 3-year warranty. Order yours today with free shipping from Supplyhouse.com. And make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.